Hi, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily upload cover photos on Pinterest.
So in the search bar, just head over to pinterest.com. Then once you're redirected to the Pinterest website, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next, just click on this down button. Then click on convert to business. So first you have to make sure that your account is converted to business account for you to be able to add a cover photo to your account. Just click on upgrade. Next is just click on your profile icon, and from your profile page, just look for this add button, then click on it. And from here, you can now easily add your profile cover image. Just click on browse, and from your library, just choose the cover photo that you want to use. From here, you can crop your cover so it can fit in, then just click on done. So that's how you can easily add a cover image on your Pinterest account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily add a cover image on your Pinterest account. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!